my name's Ashley, and today we're going to be baking some super easy Oreo cookies. Let the baking begin, or as I'd like to say it, let's get started to it. First, you mix together your butter, sugar, and brown sugar. We use 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of white sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Once the sugars and the butter are all nice and creamed together, slowly add 2 eggs and your vanilla. Once combined, add together your flour mixture. We have 3 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Once you've mixed all that in, take it out of your mixer and hand mix in your Oreo cookie crumbs and your white chocolate chips. I use 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips and about 8 mashed up Oreos. You can mash them up with a rolling pin in a plastic bag. At this time, the dough is really hard and difficult to mix, so make sure you use like a spatula or a spoon to mix it together. Once it's finally all mixed together, put it in the fridge to chill for an hour. Now that the cookie batter is out of the fridge, it's time to bake it. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lay your baking pan with 1 sheet of parchment paper and start taking your dough and rolling it into balls. I'm able to fit about 9 cookies on my sheet, but depending on the size, you may be able to fit more or less. Make sure that you have extra Oreos ready for when your cookies are out of the oven. Put them in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Take some crushed up Oreo chunks like these ones and add them onto your Oreo cookies so that they look extra nice. Hope you enjoyed learning all about how to make these really fun and tasty cookies. Thanks for watching the video. Bye!